how are you?
George! How the hell are you, man?
Hello, hon, how are you?
Well, I've had a goal this year. I had to have a stent put in right here.
Oh, shit.
7 weeks post-op, so, and I have a wound and I can't wear shoes, so I'm here. Because you know what? Nothing's going to keep my ass down.
There you go. Do you want a chair to sit or something?
I'm going to be in the booth up here.
Okay.
But I just came for a ride with Marty. I'm going to get a ride with Marty today.
There you go. Have to get that one ride in.
And then my boss is going to bring her kid back. We're going to give him another ride. And I have a new boyfriend now, and he's got 2 kids. So they're going to get rides too. He's a sweetheart. He's a four-wheeler camping social worker. I'm like, fine.
How long, or how is the one little one doing that rode with Lance last year?
Yeah, that's my boss's child.
Everything's going good?
Oh yeah, he's doing good.
That's awesome to hear.
So
You know, if you're not going to move any further up this way, I'm going to quit videotaping.
at the age of 50.